In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a free design agency website in WordPress and Elementor. We'll start by setting up the foundation the right way. First, sign up with an affordable hosting provider so you can secure your domain name and get the storage space your website needs. This is what gives your site a home online, and it's the first step before you can begin building anything in WordPress. Once your hosting is ready, install WordPress and log in to your admin dashboard. After that, go to Posts and Pages and remove the default placeholder content that comes with a fresh WordPress installation. Cleaning this up early makes your dashboard easier to manage and helps you start with a blank professional setup. Next, it's time to install your free theme and plugins. Go to Appearance, then Themes, then Add New. Search for Hello Elementor, install it, and activate it. This theme is lightweight and works especially well with Elementor, which makes it a great choice for a modern agency website. After that, go to Plugins, then Add New, search for Elementor Website Builder, and install and activate it. Elementor is the page builder we'll use to visually design the site without needing to code everything manually. Now open any new page and click Edit with Elementor. This launches the visual editor where you can build your pages by dragging in sections, containers, text, images, and buttons. Before you begin designing, configure your global design settings. This is where you define your site-wide fonts, colors, and overall visual style so everything stays consistent across the website. Next, create a new page by going to Pages and Add New, title it Home, set the template layout to Elementor full width, and start building the essential structures of your agency site using sections or containers. This gives you full control over spacing and layout. From there, build the core agency sections from scratch. Focus on the main content areas your visitors expect to see, and keep the design clean, clear, and aligned with your brand style. As you build, make sure the page flows naturally from top to bottom. Once the desktop layout looks good, optimize the site for mobile responsiveness. Use Elementor's responsive editing tools to adjust spacing, font sizes, and alignment so the website looks polished on tablets and phones too. This part is extremely important since many visitors will view your site on mobile devices. Finally, launch your navigation and footer. To create your header navigation layout, go to Appearance and then Menus. Build out your main menu so visitors can easily move through the site. A simple, organized navigation structure makes the website feel more professional and much easier to use. And that's the full process for building a free design agency website in WordPress and Elementor.